So today we will see security model. So security we will see profile, role, permission set. These three things we'll see, and like yesterday we will have record type if time permits. These three things we'll see today. So what is security? And we have one more called sharing settings. We can see that tomorrow. So security means we have to control the visibility, visibility of the record. Like yesterday I said, if there
Yes, sir.
are different people are there and different designation they have, so accordingly they should have the access, privilege, extra access or less access and everything. So that everything is like called as visibility or security. It's a different terms will be there. So we can call it as security, how our system is secure without saying, and visibility, what they have, which should be visible to them. So we are controlling that. So that we need to establish here. That's the main thing. So we have here two things. One is object level and record level. So object level means these two. These two are object profile and role. These two are object level we have to control. Okay. And we have one more record level. So record level will be this sharing setting, this profile and permission set. These two will be in object level. So what is meant by object level is like, so whenever you are creating a new object, okay, so we have
Yes,
to
sir.
provide the access to the certain people. Okay, so very basically when you are creating it, so you can decide to whom I can give access to this object. So it will be visible for them. If you don't want to give it to them, so give it to some other people, then you can remove the access from profile. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's how it come into the picture. So record level means basically that is object level. Okay, we know what is object. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is why it's called as object level. So whenever you are creating an object, you have to choose to whom it should be visible. So it's called as object level in profile and permission set. And record level means whenever you are creating a records, okay, so now object is ready, you have given permission to
Yes, sir.
them and they are creating a records. Now how you created account record, you click new and you created one record. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
you are creating it. So at the time we have to, we can control and we have to control that whether what are the people should see these particular records. Okay, so like you are creating some records, so you have to decide whether I should able to, like I'm also logging in the same portal, you are also logging in, and you are like a student, I am like a lecturer. So in that
Yes, sir.
case, whatever I am creating, I might create some other records and which is needed only for me. So you are also having portal access to that, but I shouldn't show all those records, whatever I'm creating it for you. I mean, I'm creating it, so it should be visible for you.
Yes, sir.
So same way, this is a two level. One is when you are creating object level itself, you can just give it whether I should have access or not. And second thing, okay, yeah, you should have that particular object access, but still we want some restriction.
Permission.
Whether you can just create the records and keep it. You cannot edit it, you shouldn't delete it. Like that
Yes, sir.
something, if it's there, like so you can say some exams are there, you are doing it online. So yeah, you should be able to access that record and you should be able to answer the questions. And these questions will be captured, but you shouldn't be able to update it, that means edit it, or you shouldn't
Yes,
delete
sir.
it, right? So that it will be there in the system once you are done with your exam. Suppose if you are doing it in the online, right? So that's
Yes,
how
sir.
it is. Like once you are creating it, you have a create access, but still we are not giving you some other access like edit it, delete it. Otherwise you will just delete it. So that's kind of access and visibility. Access actually, it's not a visibility. So it's access. We have to have it in the record level. Okay. So now let's see what is object level. In object level, we have two things. One is profile, one more is permission set. So
Yes, sir.
let me go to profile directly and I'll show you so that you will understand. So I'm just going to setup, and if you type profile, so each and every user in the Salesforce will be having the profile. Profile is a
Yes, sir.
mandatory for the user. If you are one user here, that means you have one profile. Okay, then only you will be able to log in and you will be able to see the things. If you don't have any, it's like you cannot create any user also without profile. Profile is a mandatory field. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so we have lots of profiles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So currently you are at this profile, system administrator profile.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So this is our profile. If you open this one, so here we have all the page layouts. See, here we have all the page layout. Come down. Here we have field level security. Like
Yes, sir.
here you will be seeing all the object. Let's say account object. I'm just opening it. So you can just control the fields also. You can choose whether this field should be, he should have access or not. This
Oh,
is an
yes, sir.
application, custom app, which we have created it.
Yes, sir.
So we created something Ford, right? So I have given access here. This is a tick mark. So if I remove this tick mark, this system administrator, he will not be able to see it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So currently I'm a system administrator, I'm able to see. Okay. So here tab settings. So we are creating tabs, right? So whether the
Yes,
tabs
sir.
should be available for others or not. I mean for this particular profile. Then record type, we will see. We can choose record type also, which record type should be available. And these are the administrative permissions. We will not use it much. General permissions. Here we go. We have object permission. This is a standard
Mhm.
object permission. So here you can choose. See, each and every object will be available here. Okay, accounts and everything. So here you can check and do read, create, edit, delete. You can edit it, which access you want to give, which access you don't want to give for each and every object. So let's say I'm just giving you only read access. Okay, in that case, what happens? You will not be able to create new record. So now you click the new button, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
that new button itself, it will not be visible for you.
Okay, okay.
When I remove this create access, if I uncheck this one. So if you have custom object, so it will come below the standard object. So we have created whatever we are creating, that is a custom object. Whatever
Yes,
it's
sir.
available, it's standard object. So custom object permission will be here. So this many custom object I have created. So I have, so you will also will be seeing 2 to 3 maybe for you.
Yes.
You just created 2 or 3, right? So you will
Yes,
be
sir.
able to see that. So and remaining policies are there, like what's login policies, how much time it should get log out and everything. This particular profile. Here we can choose that how many attempts we can give for like passwords. And here we have login hours, login IP ranges. What we can do is, it's like you can give the login hours. Like suppose we are working in one company and they are using this application and there is one profile. His working timing is morning 9 to evening 5. So what you can do, you can just give here you can put login hours like some 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, so that he will be having access to this system only that particular time. He will not be
Yes, sir.
having beyond 6 o'clock. Maybe you want someone else to work on it. So you can just give it here like login hours. So they will not have access. And here you can give login IP ranges. So this is how people IP ranges they control. Like people are doing work from home and everything, right? So what happen in
Yes.
software industries, when you are just trying to log in this particular R or something from your own network, from your Wi-Fi, you will not be able to log in because here they will be having IP restricted. So they know their company IP. So you can just do it with in company premises. So if you are inside company, then only you will be able to access this particular website. So here they will provide only company IP. So when you have won your Wi-Fi IP, you will not be able to log in. So here you can just control that. You can add it whichever IP you want. So that because sometimes what happens, some people will log in from somewhere else and they can take your data.
Yes, sir.
So to secure that, we have these settings. And this is a classes. You can see it. So for speeches. Okay. So main thing you will mostly work on these things only. Objects. If you want to give any object level permission and field level. Field level is here. So let's say as a system administrator, I chose account. So I am able to see all the account fields. So account name, account number, account owner, account record type. So this one I just clicked on field level security.
So we will have all these options during creating the account only, no, sir?
Yeah, correct. So when you create a new object, there will be one
Yeah.
screen. I told you, right? I will tell you
Yes,
about
sir.
the profile, then you will understand it.
Yes, sir.
So there
Like
itself
there
you
are
can,
many ticks.
yeah, there itself you can understand that which profile you want to give. Suppose you missed it or you were not sure that while creating the object, at that time you can do it there and you can
Okay.
just come here and change it. So now I have created this account field level security. Whenever you are creating new field, at the time also it will be asked for which profile you want to give it, whether you give it access, read access and edit access or not. Okay, so these are the fields and these are the access. Suppose if I edit button, so I can just uncheck it or check it. Okay, I want to give this field also. Want to give extra fields, you can just give it. Okay, so this kind of everything access you have to control in the profile. Okay, so this is the main thing, an important thing. What is profile and what are the things you can control it here. So let's say I'm going this one and creating one new object. So it will ask in the field level. So here it will show the
Yes, sir.
this one field level security for profile. So this is the same thing, this one field level security here. So it's like they will give you first option here. So if you can do it here, I can do it. So what I can do, to whom it should get visible. I'm a system
Visible.
administrator, so I'm just giving only to me. So remaining all the profile, it will not be available. So just save it. So this particular field will be available only for me. So let's say I'm able to see the Ford application. So this kind of all administrator and all those people mostly work on all these things like creating new profile and giving access to multiple profile and everything. So now I'm going to edit the customer. So Ford. So I'm removing the access for the Ford application. Just a minute. I'll connect my charger. So just now I'm a system administrator. I removed the food application. So if I go here, if I reload this page, view all. See, now I'm not able to see the food application here. Before it used to visible, right? So like this, you can control the everything. If they need to remove any access or give any extra access. Sometimes you will create something, you will not be able to see it. Whether it is a page layout, whether it is anything, object, fields, whatever it is. So when you struck something like that, you should go and check it in the profile very basic level. And this is a base level access. So you have to make sure whether first you have to check here whether you have proper access in this profile level or not. Okay. So this is all about profile, and you can create a new profile also if you want, brand new profile. So I came to profile, click on new profile, and it's suggested to create a new profile by copying the existing profile because it's having so many settings, right? So many object access and everything.
Yes, sir.
So for that, if you create a new profile, then you will get full empty, complete empty you will get. So it will be more work for you to tick each and everything. So what we can just, we have already so many profiles. So you can just think of which profile is little bit suitable for your requirement. So you can just check that profile and you can just give the profile name. And I chose the recruiting user. So this shows this is a new profile I just created. So it will come with all these default things. So whatever it is ticked and everything.
Oh, yes,
so
sir.
I can just do it. Oh, is it? But it will not complete. Let's see. Suppose it's disconnected, then you can just, oh, it will get disconnected after 9 minutes, I guess. But you can rejoin again here. But it should not come actually. I'm not sure why. Okay, so this is all about profile, and we have something called, you can just create a new profile and check, or you have created some object and everything, right? So you can remove the access and check whether it's really hiding and everything. So you can just play around according to you. Just do anything. Go to system administrator profile and remove the things. So we have something called permission sets. Okay. So what is permission set is like, it's the same, like it looks like a profile. Okay. So same thing only. So when we will be using permission set is like, so let's say we have a 10 junior junior people and 2 senior people and 1 super junior. Okay. So we have some requirement like, so we have to create a one profile for the junior people and give this less access. Okay, some less access. So what we have done, we created one profile for these junior people and we have given that whatever access they want. And they are giving these senior people should have some little more access than these junior people. Okay, so little more access and you created one more profile. And the super senior will have more access than these people.
Yes.
So you have created one more profile. Okay. And newly one more person came. It's like he came temporarily only, and they are also like, you can say, some lecturer. And this lecturer also having some almost same like a super senior, only one access extra she's having. Okay, maybe only one object extra she's having, that much only. So we will create one more profile for her. So this is how we have to do when we have profile. So why this permission set it's coming to the picture is like, so when we have almost same thing, but we have created 1, 2, 3, 4 profiles for 4 people.
Yes, sir.
So permission sets also it's like a normal profile and you can assign it over the profile. Like you have assigned one user and one profile. So after that, if you want to, for same user, if you want to give some permission extra, so you can give the extra permission using permission sets. Okay. So what we can do here, so this profile we have to create, which is a base profile. Once I created this profile, second thing what I can do is, instead of creating this one more profile, I'll create one small permission set. So whatever extra access he got, whether it might be one object, one field or whatever it is, these 2 senior people got it. For them, I will not create it just to give to object access. I created one entire profile and I just gave the just that much access and it's not much useful for me. So instead of that, what I will do, I will create one permission set. So here in you have permission set, you can create the one permission set like senior permission set. So here it looks like same like profile. So here you can
Yes,
see same application, object settings and everything. If you go to object settings, you can see which are the objects you can give access using this permission set. So they have this no access and everything. So if you want account, you can go to account and I can give some permission. So edit it. So here delete, create and some field access. So it's, you have to remember one thing, this kind of permission set always for giving extra access. Okay, and you cannot remove access using this. Like in profile, you gave one object, like you given the access to the account object, and you will not
Yes,
be
sir.
able to revert it in the permission set. What you can do is, if you want extra access, you can give it. If you want to remove that access, you have to remove it from the profile only. It's always permission set for giving the extra access. Okay, see, now I created one new permission set, which is called senior permission set. So here we have manage assignment. Okay, if you click on this manage assignment, here it will be having add assignment. So here you can choose the people, who are the people should have this particular permission set. So let's say see this one, the one contractor profile. I'm thinking like I should give one some extra access to this particular person. What I can do, I can just choose this guy and assign. Okay. So if you go to this person, I think so it's going to disconnect in 1 minute. And you can try to join into the same connection. An EC contractor. So this is the profile is having already. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And with along with permission set. See here itself you can see. See permission set, senior permission set.
Yes, sir. Senior permissions.
So it means he is having access of this profile, whatever it's given. He will be having extra access, whatever this permission set is also providing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how we have to use profile and the permission sets. So to disconnect.